In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-accept or decline calendar invites in Outlook. We're going to set up a simple, reliable rule in Outlook on the web that automatically handles meeting invitations as soon as they arrive. This is great for keeping your inbox tidy, routing invites to a specific folder, or automatically ignoring ones you don't want to see. Open your browser and go to Outlook. If you're not already signed in, sign into your account to get to your inbox. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top right and open Settings by selecting the gear icon. This opens a quick panel. From there, switch into the full settings area by choosing Mail. We're using Mail settings because meeting invitations arrive as email messages before they become calendar items. Inside Mail settings, find Rules. Rules let Outlook watch incoming mail for specific conditions and then take actions for you automatically. Select Add New Rule to start building one just for invitations. Give your rule a clear, memorable name so you'll recognize it later. Next, set the condition to type, then choose Invitation. This tells Outlook to match only messages that are actual meeting requests, not regular emails or updates. It's the key filter that makes the rule precise and prevents accidental actions on normal messages. Now choose how you want Outlook to handle those invitations. If you prefer to review invitations later in one place, select Move To and pick a dedicated folder, like a Meetings or Invites folder. If you want to silently keep them without clutter, add Mark as read or categorize them for quick visual triage. If your goal is to ignore certain invites automatically, choose Delete. Just remember that deleting removes the message and does not send a formal decline. If you need someone else to see them first, use Forward to route the invite to a shared inbox or a teammate. Pick the action that best matches your workflow and comfort level. When you're satisfied, select Save. Your new rule is now active and will run on new incoming messages. From here on, any meeting invitation that reaches your inbox will follow the path you defined, hands-free. A quick tip: rules can't actually click, accept, or decline on your behalf, so if you need a formal response sent, you'll still handle that manually. However, using Move, Delete, or Forward is a practical way to auto-sort or auto-ignore invites at scale. That's it. You've created an invitation-specific rule in Outlook that automatically keeps your inbox organized and your calendar workflow under control.